Som is tending to his precious crop of peppers, a practice carried out here by farmers since the 13th century. 75% of the world's pepper is grown in Asia, but here in Cambodia, they are concentrating on growing organic varieties seen as far superior. In recent years, farmers like Som have seen their incomes increase by over 50% due to investments by IFAD and the government of Cambodia. These investments have helped farmers meet the quality standards and high demand for this pepper from European consumers over 5,000 miles away.
នៅក្នុងរោងចក្ររបស់យើងមានជាប្រភេទផលិតផលម្រេចខ្មៅសុវត្ថិភាពហើយនិងម្រេចខ្មៅ organic ដែលយើងធ្វើការនាំចេញទៅខាងប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់
In 2024, Cambodia earned over $34 million from pepper exports, a nearly 150% increase compared to 2023. Most pepper in Cambodia is grown by small-scale farmers, but many producers found it hard to make a living. First, extreme weather events have led to poor yields. ភ្លៀងខ្លាំងតែដំណាំម្រេចវាប៉ះពាល់ខ្លាំងដែរពេលអញ្ចឹងក៏វាអាចប៉ះពាល់នឹងទិន្នផលម្រេចដែរ Farmers also struggled to meet EU quality standards.
The challenges that we are facing now are still the low productivity, low quality, and the production, the products that are produced by our farmers, by our agricultural cooperatives are still in low quality, not so suitable for export. But all that is changing. Som and Pros are among almost 150,000 households who have benefited from the Aspire project, funded by IFAD and the government of Cambodia. The project has provided training to farmers on how to improve their produce to meet international buyers' standards. ការខ្ញុំមករៀនហ្នឹងបានពីការយើងតាមដានទៅលើម្រេចដែលវាមានជំងឺឬក៏ម្រេចសុខភាពល្អហើយការធ្វើស្មៅ